Attracting an Arab lady involves understanding and respecting cultural nuances and individual preferences. Here are some general tips that can help. Show respect. Respect is crucial in any relationship, but it's particularly important when interacting with an Arab woman. This means respecting her values, beliefs, and traditions. Be polite and courteous. Good manners and polite behavior go a long way. Be courteous in your interactions, whether it's through your words or actions. Understand her culture. Take the time to learn about her culture, traditions, and customs. This shows genuine interest and respect for her background. Be honest and sincere. Honesty is highly valued. Be sincere in your intentions and transparent about your feelings and goals. Show family values. Family is often very important in Arab culture. Showing that you value family and understand its importance can make a positive impression. Be confident but humble. Confidence is attractive, but it's also important to be humble and not come across as arrogant. Appreciate her intelligence and strength. Arab women, like women everywhere, appreciate when their intelligence and strengths are recognized and valued. Respect personal boundaries. It's essential to respect her personal boundaries and comfort levels, especially in the early stages of getting to know each other. Engage in meaningful conversations. Have meaningful conversations and show interest in her thoughts, opinions, and experiences. This helps build a deeper connection. Show genuine interest in her life. Ask about her interests, hobbies, and passions. Showing that you care about what matters to her can be very attractive. By following these tips, you can create a respectful and genuine connection that can help attract an Arab lady. Remember, every individual is unique, so it's important to get to know her as a person beyond cultural stereotypes.